Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about functionality and classification of data mining. Before learning about this concept, if you haven't checked my previous video of what data mining is or introduction to data mining, you can check it from the description box. I added the link there. Or if you are new to our channel, please like, share and comment below, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe it as well. So let's learn. Now we are going to learn about uh, functionalities of data mining. So in our previous video we have discussed about what data mining is. Data mining means it is composed of two words, that is data and mining, and which means we have to extract information from the bulk of data or large amount of data. We have to extract information from the bulk of data. That data mining is. But now we are going to learn about functionality. So basically what functionality is, which means first of all, data mining is used to define trends contained in data mining. Data mining functionality that are represent the type of patterns that are discovered the task. So data mining are classified into two types. One is predictive and the second one is descriptive. So what predictive means? Predictive mining means it is act as interference on the current information to develop prediction, which means we have to develop prediction. Or descriptive mining means to task define features of the data in the database, or whatever the feature of that data in database. So that is descriptive, where predictive develops the prediction, or descriptive define the task features of the data. So now these predictive and descriptive are also classified into further parts. The predictive one is also divided into three parts. The first one is classification, prediction, and regression is the last one. So what classification means? Classification is a technique that categorize items into different groups that may help in recognize the item. And what prediction is? Prediction means we have a lot of information, and how we use this type of information, we make decision according to that trend, what is growing fast. Sorry, I wrote it wrong. So this is not fact, this is fast in the market. So this is prediction, is means we have to make a prediction. Regression is what? In regression we should analyze a relation between data. If one data relate with other data, we should keep them both for further decision making. And in it, first data depend on second, but it is not necessary that a second data depend upon the first one, or vice versa. Or in a general language, we can what regression means is the act of going back to a previous place or a state. And we are going to learn about descriptive. As you know, descriptive is also categorized into three parts. The first one is association, second one is cluster analysis, and the third one is the outlier analysis. So what association means? Association means, in a general context, it is a group of people having a common purpose or interest, which means association. Or we can say it's a society. It's just an example of these things. Association means an organization. So in descriptive, in association mining, we place data first, that is used again and again. In other words, we can say that in this type of mining, we give priority to the item which use frequently. Okay, the next one we have is cluster analysis. In cluster analysis, in this image processing pattern recognition and data analysis pattern is used. It is similar to classification, but the classes are not predefined. In it, similar data are grouped together and dissimilar data also grouped together. This is called as cluster. Cluster is also a group of data. I mean, group of data which contains similar type of data, or there is a dissimilar type of data that is in another group. Or we don't say this is a group, we just say this group of data to a cluster. So this is cluster analysis, which means similar kind of data are grouped together or dissimilar data also grouped together. Now we have outlier analysis. What outlier analysis is? Let first learn about what outlier is. Outlier in a more general context, an outlier is an individual that is markedly um, different from the norm in some respect. Important to understand the quality of data. Outlier analysis, just learn about uh, we just learn about the quality of data. So if you there are too many outlier, you cannot trust the data or draw pattern. So basically outlier analysis is used for understanding the quality of the data. Now we are going to learn about our other concept, that is classification of data mining. So what classification of data mining is? So to categorize data mining system, we must use different types of techniques. If we want to make data mining classified, we must follow some criteria. Then we can say that this database is suitable for data mining. So data mining can be classified into different parts like database technology, statistics, machine learning, information science, visualization, and other disciplines. And let's learn about this topic one by one. So first we have database technology. What database technology is? Or database technology is very important criteria to classify data mining. With the help of database technology, we should know how much our data mining system is strong, because databases of different type, like small database, large database, and in database which language, technology, and pattern, how to make connectivity, with which scheme help we connect our tables. So we with which schemes help we connect our table. Database technology is in the form of small to medium to large. So which technology we use is very important criteria to classify our data mining system. Now second one is we have is statistics. So statistics sees with the help of our database that the sale of the product is how much increase or how much decrease. Through stats we can check the sales, and we check how much sales are going to increase, or the overall outcome of that company, the performance, how much it increase or it decrease, we check in statistics. And in now we next machine learning. So machine learning uh, concept based on the performance of the prediction. In this we should perform our robots that they think in any critical situation with the help of programming. So machine learning is also classified into two parts. The first one is supervised learning, and unsupervised learning is the other one. So what supervised learning is? Supervised learning is a category of machine learning that label database or label data set to train algorithm to predict outcomes and recognize patterns. So basically what is the working of supervised learning is to um, train the algorithm to predict outcome and recognize pattern. This is the one of the most important work of supervised learning. So in this what we wrote, we write in this we generate output first, and according to this generated output we apply input to the system. This is called supervised learning. And next we have is unsupervised learning. So what unsupervised learning is? Unsupervised learning means algorithms are given label training to learn the relationship between the inputs and the outputs, and there is a no supervision on any kind of a data. That's why we call this data is an unsupervised learning. And in this we apply input first according to our condition, and after that which output is generated compared with the desired output. After that the difference is generated in the output. It is called as error rate. According to error rate, we modify the item and use it as input again. So this is the machine learning topic we have discussed. Now we have the other is information system. So in information system, in this we deal with the item is not in noisy and not in missing database form. So this is also used in classify the data mining. So in visualization, it is the representation of data through use of graphics, as graphics such as charts, plots, and animations. So the GUI, or graphical user interface, or visualization should be clear each layer. It is also important criteria to classify our data mining. So basically, visualization means it is a visual display of information communication complex in a way that is easy to understand. That is visualization is. And the last one we have is other disciplines. So in this, we add disciplines to data mining system to improve the product quality and sale. So for example, we have anomaly detection, decision making, and what else, healthcare, and uh, graphic designing, or intrusion detection, research as well. They all are the part of a classification of data mining. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as well. Bye bye. Thank you.